What's up, guys? Welcome to the Bitcoin update. If you guys haven't noticed, I hope you hear the quality has changed. I personally invested into some better audio equipment for your guys' experience, right? If, when we go over these updates and the bite-sized videos, having a crisp and clear sound is, in my opinion, very important. So yeah, hope you guys find this new audio, more pleasant to listen to when you watch these videos. So on to the Bitcoin update. So like I spoken previously on our updates, I was bearish. Okay, I've been bearish locally to test. What was it? The daily trend swing high and the 22.6k level. Okay. But right now, Bitcoin's doing the opposite. It's actually pumping right now. And keep in mind, guys, like whenever Bitcoin goes up, trust me, I am so happy because the positions that I'm playing, they just maximize profits, right? So that's why it's always important about your risk management and having your stop losses, having limits, which I would love to go over as a lesson since we haven't really touched risk management into the detail that I want you guys to get into. But so overall, Bitcoin's doing the complete opposite, and I am very happy. The profits that I thought I would make is now twice as much this week. So right now, what I did mention was that this apex here was critical for Bitcoin to pretty much hold, right? To hold this uptrend, and if it breaks out of here, we can expect a move up to this 4-hour level and to this daily tested. And what happened? It moved up to this 4-hour level and it moved up to this daily untested level. And as you guys can see here, sorry, my nose is a little runny. But if you guys, as you guys can see here, the wick has tested this 4-hour level to the T, right? It found support and now it is hard closing above it, okay? It hard closing above it and now it's testing a daily time frame. Now the body is in the middle of a daily time frame. I know it looks a bit funny, but what we have to do here is pretty much go on the daily time frame now, okay? So it hasn't hard closed above this daily yet. Let's just confirm this is accurate on the daily time frame. So we have, so this is accurate. Let's go back here. Let's reset the chart. Let's make this dotted now. We're going to make this a dotted. We're going to make this dotted as well. Okay, we can delete all the lines here as they are invalid now, right? And keep in mind, guys, what was important in this daily time frame was not only for Bitcoin to break out of this apex and break above this downtrend, but also to break out of this daily trend swing high. You guys notice I didn't have to mark any other resistances past this trend swing high, and there's a reason why. If you don't know, just watch the trend swing high video, but there's a reason why we didn't use the most current one. This is the only level that we needed, and this was crucial for Bitcoin to break out of it. And as you guys can see, it was perfect timing at the apex right against the daily trend swing high. And this isn't just a coincidence, guys. This is the TA that I've been teaching you since day one, right? We stick to the foundations, and this is the sort of TA, the results you get from proper TA. You just have to be patient here. So what can we expect here? So critical point here, right? This breaking out of its apex and hard closing above it. First of all, this resulted in a 7% pump, okay? Now, next, we have to see, because this is daily time frame, we want to see Bitcoin hard close above this daily resistance now. Okay, we want to see something where, you know, it holds on the 4-hour time frame and bounces even higher to test this tested. But keep in mind, this is already tested, guys. So if Bitcoin were to, you know, assume that Bitcoin did this pattern, right? It uses as support and shoots up. The same trend that brought it up is the same trend. The same trend that brings it down, sorry, is the same trend that brings it up. And honestly, I can see Bitcoin shoot up to 37 to 40K from this range if it does hold and break above it. So let's just zoom in. Okay, so let's go to the 4-hour time frame. And yeah, guys, that's what we're really looking for here. There's going to be some 4-hour levels. Wait till it loads. 4-hour levels here that you guys can mark. But at this point, if it's breaking above a daily time frame, it's most likely going to test the next daily time frame, and that's pretty much what's really critical. I mean, you have this should be marked in the 1-hour time frame, but you know, this is a 4-hour origin. You can do this, the body or the candle wick. You could do that. That's an origin level, and then you have an origin level here. At the body of the candle. So there's moments where Bitcoin can test these levels, but if it breaks above and hold this level and holds this daily level, we can see a nice swing up to the next daily level. Of course, with some hourly action in between here, but generally speaking, that's what I expect would happen. So if I were you guys and you don't and you're trading, I would not enter here, right? We only enter in accumulation, right? I've been talking how Bitcoin is in accumulation inside distribution. So what I mean by that is Bitcoin is in accumulation, right? But on a macro scale, it's in distribution, right? So, you know, that's the psychology you also have to keep in mind when you play these scenarios, okay, guys? So personally, I think Bitcoin, we might see a really huge wick considering this was an untested daily. So I mean, we just have to wait and see. I mean, there's 51 minutes left until this candle close, so we may have to readjust when that happens. But as you guys can see, this is a large wick, lots of sells here, lots of smart sellers have been selling here. The real traders that have the same knowledge as you guys, right? So personally, this wouldn't be an entry point for for me, right? Because right now we're on a smaller time frame on the 4-hour. This is distribution. It's your choice, honestly. So you know, personally, I wouldn't. But the local move is over. This is what happened after the apex, and you guys can see this is what happens after apex is a volatile movement, especially when it's against a daily origin level. You can see explosive movement like this. So yeah, that's the Bitcoin update. Any questions, comments, please just leave a comment on the video, or you can shoot me a DM or at me at the general chat. I prefer you just leave a comment on the video because I'm more likely to see that. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know what you think of the new audio equipment that I got. So yeah, see you on the altcoin video update. Bye guys.